riding my bike. Oh, almost spilled in the water there. It's kind of hard to hold with one hand. See if I can make it through this little crevice here. Oh, not the first one. Second one. The faster I go, the easier it is to keep the speed going. Oh, is that a fish? I swear to God, I saw a fish. What the fuck is this thing? Wait, I hear people talking. Can make any noise in here. Could be heard everywhere. Let's turn this way. This place looks scary as though could be something in living there. Alright, let's get out of here.